Most people think canceling a financial app is just a single tap. That's where mistakes happen. Here's the truth no one tells you. With apps like Empower, simply deleting the app does not always cancel your account or stop connected services. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel Empower in 2026 step by step, what to check before deleting it, and how to make sure you are fully disconnected. Let's start with the basics. Empower is a financial app that connects to your bank account to provide budgeting tools, spending insights, and sometimes cash advances. Because it links directly to your banking data, canceling it properly matters more than just uninstalling it. For example, Alex thought deleting the app meant everything was closed. But later, he realized his bank connection was still active in the background. That's the mistake you want to avoid. Now here's where it gets interesting. To fully cancel Empower, you need to follow a few steps inside the app before removing it from your phone. First, open the Empower app and go to your account settings. Look for the subscription or membership section. This is where any active plans are managed. If you have a paid membership, you need to cancel it there first to stop future charges. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They skip disconnecting their bank account. Even after canceling membership, the app may still have permission to access your financial data unless you remove it manually. Now let's fix that. Go to the Connected Accounts section inside Empower and remove your linked bank account. This ensures the app can no longer access your transactions or balances. In a minute, I'll explain what to do after you uninstall the app so nothing is left behind. Once your subscription is canceled and your bank is disconnected, the next step is to revoke access from your bank's side if needed. Some banks allow you to manage third-party app permissions directly in their security settings. Jake did this step and found multiple apps still had access even after uninstalling them. That's why this step is important for full control. Now here's where it gets interesting. After everything is disconnected, you can safely delete the app from your phone. But always double-check your email for a cancellation confirmation. That confirms your account is fully closed. So what's the final process? First, cancel any active subscription. Second, disconnect your bank account inside the app. Third, verify permissions from your bank if available. Finally, uninstall the app and confirm via email. The key takeaway is simple. Deleting Empower is not enough. You need to fully cancel access to protect your financial data and avoid unwanted charges. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.